All right, so we're going to introduce you to some of the bigger air purifiers on the market. These three Levoit machines here. This is the 400, this is the 600, and this is the Vital 200. This interesting model is the Coway. I like the design on this one. And this one right here is the Blue Air. Our final model here is the Dyson Air Purifier. This is the Levoit 400. I'm going to show you how easy it is to operate. Obviously, turn it on right away. Instantly, it does a reading for you. What is the particle reading at the moment? The setting, obviously, we're right there at the quiet one. Goes up from there, and that's the loudest setting. Automatic setting is a nice one as well, because it determines how much it needs to work that particular way. You got your filter change warning. We've got the built-in timer, and you can see you're going 1 hour, 2 hours. You set it for whatever you like, but it can go all the way to 12 hours straight. It can be going. We're going to talk real quickly about the Levoit Core 600 model. Again, beautiful interface, simple to turn on, instant reading of particle in the air. That's a pretty high setting initially. I can put it on the low, the sleep setting as well. Take it up 1, 2, 3, and 4. Air filter needs to be changed, indicator, and then the built-in timer, and you can set it again. How many hours do you want this thing to go? It goes all the way up to 12. I like the automatic setting, of course, because then it determines how powerful it should go based on the toxins in the air. We're looking real quick at the Vital 200 Levoit. And again, everything's straightforward on this interface. It opens up this way. Initially comes on at that night mode. Change the fan speed to 1, 2, or the high setting of 3. My favorite setting, of course, at night is the automatic setting, and it determines how much it needs to go. Settings are 2 hours, 4 hours, and 8. Indicator, locking, and no lights for that at night. All right, we're going to look real quick at the Coway. Power button's pretty obvious. You can hear it comes on. It lets you know what we're doing here. We're starting at eco mode when you start. We've got auto 1, so it's determining what's going on in the air right away. Auto, just 1 by itself, 2 by itself, 3, or eco. Again, auto 1's a good setting. Ionizer, this is where it takes the time to shoot out those negative ions into the air to help purify it. Timers are 1 hour, 4 hours, and 8, right? And then the HEPA filter is deciding, is it time to reset it? Is it dirty? Is the odor there? And it'll let you know when with a flash, but at the moment it's not. So as it's doing all its air purifying, the blue button here, or blue sensor, is a particle sensor. It's letting you know, is it time to change the filter or not? It'll turn red, but it's also doing a constant reading of the air that it's intaking and blowing out pure. Okay, real quick review. This is the Blue Air model. It's actually pretty high tech, simple to turn it on, of course. You can set the fan speed. It shows you the number of blades to let you know what the speed that we're setting it at. And then, of course, the automatic setting. What I like about this model, it has a little toggle switch here, so it lets you know if you're setting your timer, what time you're going to be working it with. Neat little feature here, the toggle is actually a PM sensors. There's 3 built-in particle sensors in here, and you can see you're able to find out what each sensor is doing at the moment. And of course, you got your night setting as well. You can see the Wi-Fi button here. Obviously, it interacts with your app on your phone, and you can work everything just from your phone. All right, we're going to take a close look at the Dyson. This model has everything you need right here on the remote control. Obviously, you got the power, the fan speed you can increase right there, up and down. Auto's a great setting. This is a great little button because if you want to change the direction of the air, currently it's blowing to me, I can push the button and I can have the air blowing in that direction. You got your night as well, and then changing of the direction. Okay, you can see what's happening on the screen or on your phone app, but on your controller, I'm just going to change the speed, and you can see what's happening right there. I'm just lowering the fan speed down to 2 and down to 1 just with the remote. What you're looking at on this side of the screen, this is the particle sensor, also built into the machine. The particle sensor is sensing how much toxicity is in the air and what it's doing to purify it. Just a quick review of what the app looks like on your phone. Obviously, the remote control is the same, but when you pull it up, you can see what's going on with the air quality, PM sensor 2.5, PM sensor 10, the VOC, and the NO2. And actually the temperature is all written up here, so it's pretty, and the humidity, it's all there, including the air quality. Quick recap. We got 6 beautiful units right here as far as air purifiers are concerned. These are top of the line. They will definitely purify the air in your room. They have the sensors, the particle measurement, everything is in it. It actually comes down to a personal choice. Maybe it's the design of the machine, a little fabric here to kind of meld it with your room, a retro look, if that's what you're looking for, or Dyson, of course, has their classic high-tech looking type of air purifier or fan that they've modeled so well. It's a personal choice, but all of these are beautiful high-end units that can be used in any room.